What if every social media post you made could boost your revenue? Welcome to the world where posts turn into profits. Social media isn't just for sharing ideas, it's a gateway to profitability. Metricool transforms your strategy into a profit machine. Turning posts into profits requires understanding your audience and tracking performance. Metricool simplifies this journey. Metricool's real-time analytics help you make data-driven decisions, fine-tuning your strategy for maximum engagement. Save time with Metricool's automation, scheduling posts across multiple platforms to keep your audience engaged effortlessly. Gain deep audience insights, learning what your followers want and when they're active to keep them engaged. Optimize your ad campaigns with Metricool, achieving better ROI and ensuring every dollar spent is maximized. Visualize and organize your content schedule, ensuring consistent and strategic delivery with Metricool's planning tools. Identify the best times to post for peak engagement and leverage trending content to drive clicks and conversions. Stop posting without purpose. Start turning your social media presence into a profitable venture with Metricool. Make your hard work pay off.